Sparkles. So today I'm so excited because I'm going to show you all what I got from Adam Dewalt. And if you all don't know about Adam Dewalt, he is a YouTuber. Me and my family, we've been watching his videos for some years now. And I'm so excited to get like these free stickers and pins that he was giving away to his subscribers. So I think that was so nice of him because it's free. He said the only thing you had to do was send a self-addressed envelope and he will send back some stickers and pins. And I thought it was so cool because that's so great that a YouTuber will do that for their subscribers. And yeah, so I'm so excited, and we're excited to see what he sent us.
Yes, we are.
Yes, that's my grandma right here.
Sparkles.
Yes, and we're so excited because then he's so cool. We love watching his videos.
We do. We've been watching him for a while.
Yeah.
And we like to see his mom, his dad work together.
And also he do like a lot of vlogs. He do a lot of go to different locations and video like about the history of their the locations, movies, TV shows. And I remember the first video I ever watched on his channel was when he went to Nickelodeon Studios and it showed behind the scenes of like what the Nickelodeon Studios look like now. And well, actually he filmed that I think in 2012, so what it looked like then, but at the moment when I was watching it was in 2012. So yeah, so I was so excited to see that. And then my brother started showing us more of his videos, and yeah, so we've been watching it for a while. And I have right here the envelope he sent with his stickers and pins in here, and like I said, it was free and it was so nice of him to send this. And yeah, so let's unbox this together, and I just want to show you all what I got. All right, let's unbox this together. This is so cool. Okay. Alright. So here's the other envelope, and let's open it and see what's inside. Okay, let's see. Oh wow. So cool. Okay, so this is what Adam sent. I'll show you right here. So the first thing I have right here is a sticker, and it says Adam Dewalt, and I love that logo and everything is so cool. It's like a black and white logo.
Nice.
It's really nice. And I love stickers, so I'm definitely going to be, putting this on my notebooks or any like books or anything like that. So that is so cool. I love the logo. It's really nice. And this one is cool too. It says Adventure. It says on here Adventure Adam Dewalt. And it have a picture of him too. It's like a cartoon picture of him with his camera on, his vlogging camera. Cool. Because he always goes on adventures and everything. That's really nice.
Nice.
Love the details in there. And the font and everything. Really nice. So cool. And here's another sticker. It says on here, where in the world is Adam Dewalt? And I have a picture of him. And also, I have a hat on, like a bike on the hat too. That's really cool. And that's really nice as well. It's like a black and white sticker as well. Really cool. So he sent me 3 stickers all together. That's so cool. And like I said, I love stickers. I can't wait to put them on my notebooks or any papers, anything like that. So cool. So cool.
Nice.
Yep. And okay, so the last 2 things he sent me these 2 pins, and that is so cool as well. The first pin, it says on here Adventure, and I have Adam Dewalt, and have a picture, the cartoon picture of him, and also a vlogging camera on here, and it's so cool. It's a yellow pen, and I love the details on here too.
That's nice.
Yes, it's so nice. It's like the same one right here, the sticker, and that's so cool. A close up of the pen, and this is what it looks like. Okay, and the last pen that he sent me, and it says on here, Adam the Woo Video Adventures. I have a picture of Adam on here as well, and it's a blue pen too, and that's cool because I love blue. It's like one of my favorite colors, and that was really nice as well.
It is.
That was so cool. Yep, and this is what it looks like. Okay. And also these are great quality stickers and pens, so I cannot wait to use them. That is everything he sent me, and that was so nice of Adam to do this, and I appreciate it so much, and we're so excited he sent this back.
Yeah, and then we enjoyed the video where he made in South Carolina when he came here.
He did visit South Carolina, and then he went to Myrtle Beach.
Yes, he did.
Columbia, yeah, and it was raining too. I remember, but he also just went in there and like, just like had an adventure. He just explored Columbia and Myrtle Beach and everything. And like I said, we love watching his videos and him, like, you know, showing and vlogging. He's always so nice to his subscribers. And he said he also wants to do another like giveaway to his subscribers. He also said he want to do like maybe a shirt giveaway where he lives in Florida. He might just have like a pop-up giveaway where he just give away shirts and just say the location. He was saying he might do another giveaway where he can send to, like, you know, fans and give them some more free like gifts, and that was really nice of him.
And his mom and dad been working for the Lord a long time, even before he was born, and still working, serving the Lord. Yes,
and that's really nice.
It is.
It's nice to see him and his family, and like you said, they love the Lord, so that's really nice. And yes, I will leave all his social media right here, and you can check out his YouTube channel and, like, you know, his social media as well. And definitely go and watch his channel. He have 2 channels, The Daily Woo, and also he have another channel. It's called Adam the Woo. And also you can say Zelma sent you, Zelma Sparkle 92 sent you, and let her know that I sent you to his channel. So yeah. And like I say, I appreciate the stickers and I appreciate the pins, and I cannot wait to use them. And yeah, so I'm gonna give you all a close-up of all the pins and stickers. Okay, and that is the end of the video. And if you all enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, don't forget to subscribe button, and then turn your post notification bell so y'all be notified whenever I upload another video. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Alright, bye.
Bye-bye.
Alright, love y'all.
Bye-bye.